Hello, everybody. I'm going to read you a wind chill advisory for South Central Texas. It's crazy. It starts at 9 p.m., ends at 12 p.m. on Monday. A winter storm warning remains in effect until noon Central Standard Time Monday. A wind chill advisory is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Monday. What? For the winter storm warning, heavy mixed precipitation, additional snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches with isolated amounts near 6 inches, and ice accumulations up to around 1/10 of an inch. For the wind chill advisory, very cold wind chills expected. Wind chills could be as low as 15 below zero. Where portions of south central Texas. Wind for the winter storm warning until noon Central Standard Time Monday. For the wind chill advisory from 9 p.m. this evening till noon Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. The cold wind chills could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Bitterly cold air will combine with gusty winds to produce wind chill values of -15 to around 0 degrees Monday morning. These values can lead to hypothermia for anyone stranded within the icy roads are expected. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Use caution while venturing outside. Wear appropriate clothing and gloves. The latest road conditions for the state can be obtained at drivetexas.org. Hello, everybody. I'm back. Alright, so after reading the winter chill advisory, or just winter advisory, wind chill advisory, this has actually never happened possibly since 2011, but not like this. And then the last time that we saw hundreds of miles of closures and log traffic here, like in Kerrville, they've closed it down because of the ice. They got to get the salt trucks there. And then you see all the look, people are probably panicking and trying to get to San Antonio and out of San Antonio, so looks like they're taking 27 to kind of get around that, but it's not really. No, it's actually working. They can get to 27 to comfort, but that's not necessarily a good thing. That I would tell you one thing: 173 and 27. I've never seen this much traffic before. And Kerrville has probably never ever seen this influx of traffic ever. But because they closed it off there and there, areas where there's never traffic is getting traffic. That's just, that's crazy. And then you got Austin. This is just the beginning. Never seen that before. That's crazy. Oh, and 35. There we go with the traffic. San Antonio, they closed off the interchanges. See here? Closed. Anything that's above the ground, closed. They close off this part, the 35. They close this part off. They close this off. They close that off. They close all the interchanges off. Looks like people are going to have to take the side roads. .281. They closed the southbound lane for some reason, and then they closed the southbound lane. Well, I've never seen that before. Never here. Dallas, Jesus, that's crazy, man. That's rare. You don't see this every day. Oh no, Albuquerque's in it too. Well, that only means one thing, it's coming this way. Okay, we got freezing rain. Very light, but it's there. Let's see what's coming. Snow. Snow. A little bit of snow. Rain. Rain. Snow. El Paso. Snow. 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 Nothing yet. That means it's coming later, probably. Let's see what's going on. So San Angelo is snowing a little bit. Uh-oh. It's got like a southeastern tail to it. Oh, crap. Look at that. Ooh. It's getting a little spicy with the light snow. Thank you guys for watching.